To support this channel, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment.
5 foods that will destroy your gut. Stop eating them. The body fights with various bacteria, diseases and parasites, so you should pay attention to what you eat. You should avoid foods that are bad for the gut and cause gas and pain. What kind of food should you avoid? Fast food. In addition to good bacteria, bad bacteria also live in our body, which cause inflammatory processes, which then create flatulence. Chemicals known as emulsifiers are particularly bad for this. They kill more of the good bacteria and allow the bad ones to thrive. The Daily Mail reports, some research suggests that fast food can halve the number of beneficial bacteria in the gut in just 10 days. Gluten. It used to be thought that gluten only caused problems for people with celiac disease, but it's more complicated than that. Some people have the same symptoms but test negative for markers for the disease. Such patients should also avoid gluten. Refined sugars. Refined sugars such as those found in cookies, biscuits and other sweet foods are bad for your gut health. This type of sugar reduces the number of good bacteria in the gut and increases the number of bad bacteria. Alcohol. It is well known that alcohol can reduce the number of good bacteria in the gut. A moderate amount of red wine increases the amount of polyphenols. So it is good to have at least 1 glass of this alcohol, but you should not overdo it with other alcoholic beverages. Fried food. Fried food is one of the popular foods that harm your intestines and increase the number of bad bacteria, but also cause inflammation and cramps.